there, I'm Professor Blackmore and I want to welcome you to my course entitled Post-Judgment Collections. If someone owes you money and you have not had any luck getting them to pay, you can file a lawsuit in court and obtain a judgment in California and in many other states. This course is going to be a study of all aspects of collecting money from judgments and court orders in California, and you can use some of these techniques in many other states. So in part one of this course, I'm going to talk to you about laying the proper foundation in drafting the pleadings, the complaint that you're going to need to file with the court. And in part two of this course, I'm going to talk to you about the default judgment prove-up procedure and how to draft a proper judgment. In part three of this course, I'm going to talk to you about post-judgment collections and all of the things that you can do once you have a judgment that has been signed by the judge, including how to get an abstract of judgment issued by the court clerk, which will assist you in obtaining a real property lien against the property of the judgment creditor. Then I'm going to talk to you also about how to do wage garnishments, how to do bank levies, which will allow you to garnish a bank account and even possibly break into a safe deposit box at the bank. You can also use this post-judgment collections procedure to levy a vehicle. And I'm also going to talk to you about what to do once any part of the judgment has been paid and how to issue and record a partial or full satisfaction of judgment. Then in part four of this course, I'm going to talk to you about the judgment renewal procedure. Every 10 years, you will have to renew your judgment, and in part four of this course, I'm going to show you how to do that. And then in part five of this course, I'm going to talk to you about domesticating a judgment from a court in another state. So you can take a judgment from a court in another state and you can domesticate that judgment in California. I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you do that, then you can use the post-judgment procedures that I'm going to show you in part three of this course. You'll be able to use those same procedures on your domesticated judgments. Now, this all sounds like a lot of fun, right? So let's get started.